Anthony Joshua about to get the ring dinger.
Keep breathing. Very good. There you go. That's ring dinger.
This is where chiropractic gets misunderstood. See, everybody watches this and thinks that the crack is the treatment, but it's not. First off, I actually understand what they're trying to accomplish here, right? They're trying to create decompression through the spine and temporarily reduce pressure and stiffness. So conceptually, I get it. The only problem is where I feel this could be a more comprehensive treatment is that passive decompression is cool, but then active control of that new range you create, that's totally different, right? So when you pull somebody like this, you may temporarily create relief, but the real question is, can Anthony Joshua control the positions that his body keeps getting pulled into every time he punches, rotates, slips, absorbs force? And as a boxer, Joshua generates massive rotational force through his feet, the hip, the rib cage, and his thoracic spine. So if his hips don't rotate well or his rib cage can't move that well, then the neck usually becomes the area that he will compensate from. So, you know, if he was my patient looking at this from as a sports chiropractor, I'm not just looking at the neck, because anybody can create motion, but real rehab teaches the body how to control it.